Weather jumped into the 80s as of this afternoon, kick-starting the very warm weather pattern that we're going to see throughout much of the week. Temperatures, in fact, low 80s across the board into the state line, all thanks to some breezy winds and that change in the weather pattern. And this is where we'll jump off from then to get into near record territory, if not record territory later this week. Also means the 90s could be around the corner, so definitely feeling like summer in a big way. Here are some of the records of the next couple days. You can see for the most part we have to get into the low 90s in order to break a record. And note that overnight temperatures, middle to low 60s. I think we'll see a lot more records fall at night versus during the day, but during the day there might be a day or two where we pick up some record-breaking temps. Tonight, though, forecast of 68s that could be record-breaking as we head into Tuesday morning. We do look for the breezy weather to continue, but it's not as blustery as earlier on today. To watch out for some storms late tonight. They're mainly going to be to our northwest, a little closer to sunrise, but a few might hold together across the majority of northern Illinois. And then strong storms possible again into tomorrow evening, and that is looking like a better chance for our area. Here's exact track radar that does show a decaying line of severe thunderstorms exiting Minnesota. We do see just a very slight risk off to the northwest of Freeport when it comes to any kind of severe weather. You look at future tracks, though, this line continues to fizzle as it approaches, so there may be a very slight chance we hear a couple rumbles of thunder at about 3 in the morning. Otherwise, you see on future track drying up quickly. We then see sunshine again tomorrow. Hot and humid weather pushes us to near 90 degrees. Less wind, but still looking a little breezy. Have to keep an eye out for a chance for storms late. And this does have a 1 out of 5 risk for severe weather into tomorrow evening and tomorrow night, widespread across southern Wisconsin and northern Illinois. So much better chances for storms. Here we are at about 9 o'clock, seeing those start to break out across much of the state line and then remain scattered going into tomorrow night. So not a great chance. That's why it's at a 1 out of 5, but still some strong storms definitely possible as we wrap up Tuesday and head into early Wednesday morning. So we will be keeping a close eye on that later this week. Then the weather dries out and gets even hotter. 91 in the forecast for Thursday. That is likely record-breaking. Better chances for storms pops up between Friday and Saturday as the weather starts to cool off. We're back to the low 70s by the end of the week. In your most accurate 10-day forecast, conditions continue to cool as we get down into the upper 60s by early next week. So we'll have summer this week, then spring weather resumes once we get to Sunday. In the meantime, the heat didn't bother us when it came to the 4-degree guarantee. That means the cash total keeps rolling up above $450 as of tonight, Brittany.
Slowly approaching $500, Alex. Thanks.